Hello friends, I greet you all. So we can study lesson 3 about the Mongo database. So the lesson is about the importing and exporting. Importing is when you have created the Excel format, then you want to insert immediately in your Mongo database. Remember, importing Excel are created aside, then you import it into a database. Export, you create a database in Mongo database, then you download it into Excel format. These are two terms which are vice versa one another. Before we start this, we have to know better to differentiate these terms. Import data, database created in Excel format, then you insert it into Mongo database. So you have to change your Excel format into CSV format so that Mongo can accept it. Okay, so then export data into a database is created in MongoDB. Then after you download it as Excel format. Okay, so we can do this together. We can start on importing data. Okay, here we have Excel. Here we have Excel. As you see, we have an Excel format. We have name, we have gender. Okay, we have city, we have school, subject, phone number, we have account number, we have bank name, we have branch. So if we have this number, you have to change something. Instead of putting number, you put underscore ID so that your MongoDB can accept it. Okay, then here no problem. Here if you have two name, school name, it is better to join them by putting underscore. Okay, even here you put the underscore because it is account number. Between account and number you put underscore. So also bank name put underscore. So then you prepare our data in Excel, then you import it into MongoDB. So then you save it. You just save. We save it. Save as. You browse where you want to save it. Remember the format. Format must be CFC. This one. Okay. This is the format. Where you get it from? You go here in the format. Don't select the Excel format as XLT. No, not XLS as the format of Excel, not XLSX. No, you check this is a format of SCS. This one. This is a format. Okay. After getting it as a format, So now you can click save. Okay, already exist. So we check where to save it. Let us change the name as attender, like this one. Then you save it. On the desktop, okay, no problem, on the desktop. Then now we can close this. Then we go in our database. So database here, we can create a database. Then you put, for example, mine, can you call it my collection. Okay, then create. So then importing is here. Import data into our collection. Click here, then you go to attendance, this one. You see our data, how they look like. Okay, name is a string, so ID is integers, so gender is string, city is string, school name is a string. So then your bank branch is a string. Okay, account number is integers. Then click import. So 15 documents imported this successfully. You see, our documents are already imported. So can you see here, this is the one document, the second one, the third one, fourth. These are our documents. Okay, so thank you. We can do another, which is known as export. Exporting, for example, we have there's the data in our database. Yes, we have teachers. We know we need to export them. To export means to download them into Excel format. What you do, you click here, export data, then export the full collection, then select the format. The best one is CSV format. Then export. You select where you want to put. Let us put it them into download. Then you click select. After our data has already exported successfully, we can go. We can click in a download folder to check whether our data has been already exported or downloaded. It is here. You can click it and then you see how it look like. So they are in Excel format. You see. Okay, thank you for watching. You can do it here. You can edit, you can add others. Okay, you can also edit, put many things, and then also you save it as Excel format. Also you can also import into Mongo database. Okay, thank you.